from Somaraji, Shrungavera. Shrungavera is a synonym of Shunti or Ardraka, that is used for Udvarthana. So it is used for Somaraji Churna and Shrungavera. So in this case, we have to take coarse powder. When you are applying for the application, at that time if you use the fine powder, so but in case of Udvartana Karma, should be Avakutta Churna. So Somaraji and Shrungavera, you can prepare a coarse powder. So by that coarse powder you can take, you can do the Udvartana Karma. You can rub over the affected area. So because of the Udvartana, which stimulates, which irritates that particular the part, the cells, and whatever the obstruction will be present, so it will clear that. So will cure the conditions about the skin disorders. Where in case of Kushta, where there will be a thickness of the skin will be present, and it reduces the blood circulations to that particular part. So because of this Udvartana Karma, so that thickness is going to be reduced, and which increases the complexion also. So in case of Shvitra, Abalgaja, Bija Churna 4 parts, Hartala 1 part. Hartala is also one of the best drug which is indicated in case of skin diseases. So Abalguja, that is the mineral drug. Abalguja is an herbal drug. So both herbal mineral drugs you can add. So Abalguja Bija Churna 4 parts, Hartala 1 part, grinded with Gomutra and given orally. So internal administration of Avalguja, Shodhita Hartala we have to take, as it is a mineral drug. Shodhita Hartala 1 part and 4 parts of Avalguja Bija Churna. So internal administration, so which will overcome or which will cure the condition called Shvitra. So in case of Badirya, that is reduced hearing, or sometimes he can completely, the person is unable to hear. So the Avalguja Bija Churna and the Mushali Churna, Mushali, that is one of the, actually it is a Rushya Dravya we used to consider, that Mushali. So this Mushali is also having, it is useful in case of Badirya condition. Avalguja plus Mushali, both the churna you can mix it properly and you can take internally. So which will overcome the conditions. It is called Badirya. So which improves the hearing. And in case of Sadhyoruna, that is the fresh wounds. So there Bakuchi Patra Kalka is applied over the cut wound, and which will stop the bleeding. So mainly Bakuchi Bija we are using. Apart from that, Bakuchi Patra, Bakuchi Pushpa, even some Mula also, they are using, that is having therapeutic values. But mainly it comes the Bakuchi or Abalguja, the Vishishta, that is the useful parties, main useful parties, Bija. But depending upon the condition, you can use the leaves or the flowers or the roots. But main use is Bakuchi Bija. So useful part, Bija, Patra, mainly Bija, you have to mention. Okay. So Patra, Churna 1 to 3 gram. Churna 1 to 3 gram. Or that is, this is internal administration. When you are using for external application, so depending upon the affected area, how much it requires, so depending upon that you can choose the matra for external application. For internal administration, you can use 1 to 3 grams. The preparations, Abalgujadi Lepa. So in the market you will get, this is the classical preparations, Abalgujadi Lepa, Shashilekha Vati, Shashilekha Vati, Shashilekha, Indulekha, Somaraji. Okay, Shashilekha Vati, Somaraji Taila. See, don't write if they ask in the examinations like Bakuchi Churna, Bakuchi Taila. It is correct, but you have to mention about the what acharyas they have mentioned in the classical textbook. Okay, Shashilekha Vati, Somaraji Taila, Somaraji Rasayana, Kadirarishta, Vidangadi Churna. So these are the some of the classical preparations of Bakuchi. That is the recent in the market what we're getting, Shvitra Nashaka Vati. So this is Avalguja Bijadi Churnam. Ashtanga, according to the Ashtanga, they have prepared this Avalguja Bijadi Churnam. Avalguja Bijadi Churnam. And this is also Avalgujadi Lepa. Avalgujadi Lepa. So these are the some of the important preparations. And so by this, I want to conclude the today's topic, that is Bakuchi. So tomorrow we'll see with another new drug. Okay, thank you.